You know what? Somebody tagged me in that reel and was like, girl, I'm about to say something. Y'all know when it comes to crochet braids, I don't play games. Okay. This may be one of my favorite hacks. Between her and Shay Love, I don't know. I got a message for somebody, for this young lady. I got to make sure I get her name right. Please forgive me if I'm not pronouncing this correctly. Mara Campo? I'm gonna just show you her. Y'all go follow her. This reel right here that you see, bam. She inspired me with her crochet braid hack. Now, baby, let me tell you something. When something literally stops me on my tracks, bam, pause, hold a minute and look at this, because this is something special right here. Honey, I had to do it. I said I'm doing it. I ordered some hair so fast. I don't even know if I looked at reviews. I just know they said it'll be here tomorrow. Ooh. If you're on Instagram, you've probably seen it. It has like 9-point-something million views. It's like that. I'm gonna put the link to that reel in the description box so you know exactly who inspired this video. When I saw it, I said, oh, I'm doing it. And I did. And the church say. Now, I do have to say, I've been doing crochet a long time, so I knew how I wanted to look very, very much like individuals. So y'all know I did my illusion boxes. I did 3 rows of illusion boxes in the front. She had a front row. It kind of looked like one. I could be mistaken on that. And then she did her hack in the back. I did my illusion crochet in the front. I had to do it. And off to the side. In case I want to put it up, it's going to look very natural. You already know. Y'all know how I do. This is what I wanted to mention. There's also a row that's going straight across here. Those pieces fall back. That's almost like a bridge between the two. These two. Between my illusion part and then the hack part. These braids going across are going to flop over to the back, okay?
I'm not new to this. I'm true to this.
So I put a couple little extra things in there so that I can get, you know, y'all know how. Y'all know. But baby, make no mistake. The original idea came from the good cuz. I was like, I said, I'm finna do this. I was convinced. I was influenced. Huh? And I don't take that lightly. I need you to go over there, just show some love. Hey, tell her I sent you over there too if you want to. This may be one of my favorite hacks. Between her and Shay Love, y'all just giving me. Y'all are giving me quick, easy. Now, had I not done 3 rows of illusion boxes in the front, it would have been even quicker than that. Oh, also, in the back, you'll see, like when you see what she does with the rubber bands, if you want a little bit more security, I braided the pieces together and I rubber band them. You'll see it at the end. All this is going to make sense. You going to know. Just hold a minute because you finna see. I just wanted to explain to you the differences that I did and why I did it. I just did that for more security, and then I did my row across so that there is a seamless transition between my illusion boxes and the hack that's in the back. Okay, all this is the hack. This is my illusion boxes just because that's how I get down with it. I like for there to be a transition in the midst of it all. Okay, that's why that's there. Okay, and all that is the ends of my illusion boxes pulled together, bam, through any weather. You crochet over that, anchor those to the back. Feel me? But I had to shout her out. I had to. This wasn't even on schedule. This wasn't nowhere on the calendar. She did that. I am just happy for her that she getting all those views. Cause baby, I like this hack. But I will have her information in the description box. You already know how I get down. I love giving credit. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. The credit goes to her. I just made some modifications to fit what I got going on. In the back, I just wanted to be as secure as possible. When I'm up and down them aisles at Target, I don't need any modification that you see. That's why. And then I told you about the little piece. That's to make it all come together. Okay, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. Big ups to the queen. I love this hack. I love it. I love it. Let's get it.